All right, guys, I'm gonna be testing here very quickly this spot welder P90C. I wanna test if we can weld straight copper 0.4, which is this one. Let's check it out here quickly. It's on. It's zero. 0.4. We're gonna test. Good enough. 0.39. And we're gonna go straight copper. We're gonna use some flux, okay? Let me take one of the cells so I can push here a little bit of flux. I'm gonna be using, come on. There we go, a little bit flux. I'm gonna be using the regular cables right now. So this is gonna be pretty cool. I'm going straight in 700, okay? Setting 700, and let's see how this goes. All right, guys. I'm gonna use, again, regular cables. Straight copper, okay? Automatic mode. Let me make sure we can see this correctly. Let me lock the view so you guys can see this. All right. Let's see how this goes. It's gonna make a lot of smoke, okay? Are you kidding me? Straight copper 0.4, guys. Let me fix the 0.4. Look at that. Perfect. It leaves all the, this is very thick copper. And guys, this one, it's the P90C. Let me show you guys. This is a one P90C unit that I wanna try. There is. So it's not the P120. The P120 is even more powerful. I'm gonna repeat the same test actually with the P60F to see how high we have to go, because if we make 700, look at the settings. We can go probably in high power with the P60F, okay? That's what I want to test. But you got it. There's copper 0.4, which is this one as well. I have one here. I'm gonna be doing a job for a client, and I was going to use this machine just for fun. And look at that, it make it perfectly. But remember, you have to use flux. Look at how cool. This is something that Kenton told me. For these tubes that, see, the DIY 500 flux, if you put a cell inside the tube, you can push easy. It's a 21700 cell. It fits perfectly, okay? Have a good one, guys.